Ladies and gentlemen, the last aspect is about hope. Passion, the last aspect is hope. In the year 2007, His Holiness Pope Emeritus Benedict XVI wrote an encyclical or a letter entitled Spare Salve, which translates Hope Saves. He based this letter on Romans chapter 8, verse 24. In this encyclical, the Holy Father teaches that faith is hope. Allow me to say, let us be people of faith, for it culminates in hope. We must not be abandoned. We mustn't be a band of prophets, but prophets of doom. These prophets of doom, the band of prophets of doom, who are so pessimistic about our future and that of our movement. It is not a secret that our country is experiencing one of its worst episodes in trying to adjust and facilitate the economic prosperity of its citizens, especially graduates. Companies are retrenching day in and day out. This follows the landmark ruling by the Supreme Court on the 17th of July 2015, which justified the employers to terminate employees' contracts at no benefits. The future appears bleak, especially for those hopeless students. Graduates have been reduced to the level of vendors. If we have hope for a brighter future, then we do not cease to work for it. We must never be disheartened, for God is always on our side. Surely, events and happenings in the economic, social, religious, and political dimensions of our society appear to be offering no brighter future. In the social arena, divorce has become the order of the day. A record of 1,102 couples have registered to terminate their marriages at the High Court in Harare and Bulawayo, with 173 divorces already granted since January this year. According to the High Court records, from January to July this year, a total of 820 couples approached the High Court in Harare seeking to have their marriages cancelled, and 129 of them have their marriages certificates officially terminated. Bulawayo High Court also received 282 divorce requests and has so far allowed 44 marriages, with the couple citing irreconcilable differences. Ukanda White Wedding, chapter 5.101, Machata, but one house in Zamako. From January, from June, 1,102. Why am I talking about mass? So it's the future. Tichuana repeating in the social dimension, the institution of marriage itself is in danger. It's still good to talk about graduates. Economy, I na hope. The social, I hope. Religion, I hope. At the end of the day, you ask me, what do we have to hope in? We show na kuna tumeno timuvimi achimu mvimi nani? Kishira kuti musango mumapinda vanu wakashaiwa. Unogona kupinda kwa. So there is no reason kuti I'm reckless because nikakaka. In the religious spectrum, some so-called human rights activists are trying to smuggle secular ideologies into the church with the intention of forcing the church to baptize them and give them Christian names. My ideology is on board. The ulcer of relativism and modernism and all they stand for have given rise to debates that people in the last 2 centuries never dreamed to be humanly possible. Issues regarding gay and lesbian marriages. Supreme Court of America had a Chiro Marakas Adam na Eva, Adam na Steve, one of them Garaes. Adam, I told you not Steve, my van. Steve, I told you Adam, I'm van. Suppose it will announce the problem now. Because after all, everything is relative. It depends on the angle at which you are looking at it. On the other extreme, the last point, new religious movements are mushrooming daily with new doctrines that have largely confused, if not distorted, the charism of the Christian religion.
Hallelujah.
that. So not fast as a movement. Because not within the movement. Michato. Mukana kuona no. Moto asikana abakazira msoro mahara kumuswa. Look at them carefully and close. They change yesterday. This conference, they change the Masundi waves that are going to come. Both on the level of faith and on the level of that which grew to them. Through this one another people. So I need to put value every relationship. You know what I'm doing. But I'm going to go to the but you don't put this is fertile ground. Yokuonana is Catholic young students who are also experts. Not because but there was some influences. Now one of them doesn't work. Especially in church, you know, one in spite of thought, differences in religion, upbringing. I was Roma, where I may where she would actually have much money. You should learn to no, we're looking at the future is more. And this are the things that makes that future bright. One and I was Roma. Sure. And we are very enough to give you like. But we want to build the same faith that parambulate together. Share our faith. And it's in that I saw one of our meetings which we did. You know, and I like one meeting which we did. I think. panguva yequestion and answer. Question and answer, basically, clear. So, another gentleman is walking about with microphone. Those who have questions.
All is well.
As institutions, for the betterment of this, apart from the personal support, financial support here, and the financial support, if the semester progresses, sometimes your offers will rise, but if the movement is something to do, get quiet. Please, let's do that. The printing of t-shirts, combat research, very possible. Nowadays, they are calling it sitting. Sitting is never a concept here, my Pentecostal. In concept, the thing is growing, share not you. Financial management. How do you take care of the simple dollars that you in your pockets? Do you acquire more liabilities than assets, or you acquire more assets than liabilities? So as members in the movement, I advise us to have good financial management, knowing the difference between an asset and a liability. No, I take because I'm interested in knowing more and more about this which constitutes the contemporary life. But I'm not sure I'm going to be so carrot, rumba, Diana, kind of thing. If the map like that, Mama spread that is right. The last is that beyond the that's fashion. But I say, if we do this evidence for the brighter future and betterment of this, let's pay some dollars. But for the sake of the movement, the one who wants to pay, she was only able to my institution. I think I'm usually step up. I think I'm structure and step up as institution. But my attachment, or one of the some key common fund. Yes, I thought that school in this book, so you don't want to make it like a so at the individual level, only good financial management, it also contributes towards the betterment of me. Because the Marika resort, she must come and must do it for the movement. But about my institution and my subs. But one of the I don't know for them. As can my sub, I should be a region. Can my sub, I should be an institution. Let's do that. This is the second generation. You know, even in the Bible, there are two generations. Generation Moses, the generation Joshua. Generation Moses, the letter of Akema, Maron Lapichiwa, Mana Mawana Jana. Manana. Begin changing. No one knows. Change the Mukulam, Sasai Mori, Muno, but the Yamaya is a banana. Change Baba, you know. Now, why the generation of Joshua? Where Joshua was not the man I do. Joshua had to take on the code. And that's what bring him here. What is that? Daily. Choose easier for the sake of good. So, why the generation of Joshua? Where God is no longer letting down man. Funding partners was Jonas are going. And we have become the major funding partner to our movement. So, if the major funding partners will take order to this movement, we have to sacrifice. That what our parents. Everything that we are passionate about to sacrifice. Let's be passionate about the movement. Spare a little dollar for the region, the grassroots. Spare a little dollar for this. Mugada Manuza, Churikaina. It's $20. When I go, it means immense sacrifice. Yamaita for the sake of this movement. So let's continue in that. It's not the assure of a brighter future for the movement. When it's going to but I'm organizing, let us say, oh, I'm more established. What are my projects? Munama Africa and Nigeria, what are my student bodies in Nigeria? What are the forms of projects? Passport project. But supply my institutions in young. But we use it out to eat. kuninga uzizunga mtukuka kwa wakuru waninga wachituza kula unyama iyo kutao kwa hiyo kutitenga yao zilwa zinya na mtanda zile kana kutomla polita kuzo izo kwete wale monokoa lakini saka let's think along the line of the economic aspect. The social aspect is ngoya kubifuke kufare kufa kuchembera nokupedza chikoro kwakauya indira ndikakudza ito kwati handina chatorigeta 4 years zvandakadzidza kuuse hatina regretikwe handingamboita zvakati because ndaiwana mukana kusangana nevamwe I would like to say thank you so very much. Thank you so much for your time. And there is another saying which goes, it is always advisable to be a witch in the title, but never take a train. It is always advisable to be a witch in the title, but never take a train. For the sake of Makana, the Zulu Alpha and then Gafra. I think about it, Tima goes and we're going to end the park. It means if you agree whatever, let's agree. Let's do it passionately. And let's have guiding principles and values that do lead us towards our focus. Let's never ever be led by the pseudo things. That's the Tima resource law has never been before. That will lead the way, the principles. Unity. The unity aspect of the movement and the passionate translation of that unity in our practical living. Amazam, that you want to name by your own. Amazam, that is our main spiritual movement. Let's promote justice. Let's promote dignity. But now come out, they see they make commodities to be satiated. They satiate their appetite with these commodities. One after they leave them, but after suicide, that's what they are. We don't want to that's not it. Can spiritual movement to come in our values, is the human dignity. You will never ever see this one as a commodity to quench my destiny. And full stop. Next. Let's promote human dignity. Everyone has got the dignity. And then you can have our website here, Chita Chedush, the NMCS. Mukatana pana nyaema talk aipiwa nema thima itao hiki zacho kuma 1990s it is 1990 wete wana dignity bamwana wanokubidi dignity kufa kwa jamu achiponera mungu ya baroko. Let's improve on those. Let's improve on those. Let's improve on those. Thank you.
Les parvis du Seigneur, Alléluia. Alléluia, Alléluia, Alléluia. Caminando del refugio en refugio, hasta ver a Dios de Sion. Alléluia. Alléluia. Zeit loben, Halleluja.